back. I'm Vinudhi Wahalathanthri and I'm here with my 17th video from the eShop Web Project Development Series. So in this video, we'll be talking about the product activation and deactivation in this page. Okay. Therefore, when we activate a product, it will be viewed in our home page. And when we deactivate that product, then it will be deleted from our home page. Okay, so at the moment, I have activated these products. Okay, so if we move on to our home page, y'all can see these products has been added in my home page. Okay. For example, we'll take this product, the iPhone X, and activate it. Deactivate it. Okay, so y'all can see that I have received an alert as product deactivated. So this means that my product has been deactivated successfully. Okay, so now y'all can see that this statement has been changed to make your product active. Okay, so let's move on to see our home page, whether that product is still available. Okay, so now y'all can see that that product has been deleted from our cell phones category in our home page. So this is the process of our activation and deactivation of products. So let's move on to see the backend codes I have given for this process. Okay, so over here I have coded this activation and deactivation switch. So I have made it inside a div, a form check form switch. I have given an input group where I have given a class as form check input, and my type is checkbox, and the role is a switch. And then I have given an ID as FD, and inside that I have given a PHP script as echo $selected data ID. So we made this selected data over here. So we talked about this selected data variable in my previous video. Okay, so next I have added a PHP script over here. So inside this I have given an if block where I have given a variable as $selected data and checked whether the status ID of it is equals to 2. So if it's equals to 2, then my switch should be checked. Okay. Next, I have given an on-click for it as change status, and inside that I have sent an ID. So y'all can see over here I have echoed $selected data ID, meaning that I have sent an ID through this on-click. So let's move on to see the JavaScript codes I have given for this on-click. Okay, these are the codes I have given for my on-click of function change status. So I have taken the ID which I gave in my HTML code. Okay, so next I have assigned that ID to a new variable as $product ID. So next I have made an AJAX request, and next I have sent these details in the get method to my change status process.php file. So I haven't sent these details individually. I have sent the product ID with them too. Okay, so over here I have coded the way my alerts should work. So if my response text is equals to deactivated, then I should get an alert as product deactivated, and my window.location should reload. So if the opposite happens, that means if my response text is equals to activated, then my alert should be product activated, and my window.location should reload. Okay, so let's see what I have done in my change status process.php file. Okay, so at the very beginning, I have started a PHP script and given a require for my connection.php file because we'll be needing it. Next, I have taken the ID or my product ID which I sent from my JavaScript file and assign it to $product. Next, I have made a new variable as $productRs. So this will be my result set. So I have assigned it to a database search where I have selected all from my product where my ID is equal to $product, which I have made over here. So next, I have taken the num rows of it and assigned it to $product num. So if $product num is equals to 1, then $product data, the data from my product RS should be fetched and assigned to $product data. Next, I have made a variable as $status, which is assigned to $product data status ID. Okay, so if my $status is equals to 1, then my database should update as product set status ID 2, where ID is equals to $product. So this is how it should be saved in my database. So if I have given my status as 1, then I should receive an echo as deactivated. So status 1 stands for deactivation. Okay. So next, I have done the same method. For my activation part 2, I have given an else if to check whether my status is equals to 2, and for that I have added over here how it should be saved in my database. Okay, so if my product num is equals to 0, then I should receive an echo as something went wrong. Please try again later. Okay, so these are the codes I have given for this activation and deactivation process. So I hope you all understood what I explained. So I'll be back with my next video. So stay tuned and have a nice day. Thank you and bye.